Stop saying quiet. This word makes you sound smarter. Taciturn. Pronounce it as taciturn. The tac sounds like task without the k. I is a short I like in it, and turn sounds like turn. It means reserved or uncommunicative in speech, saying little. Despite the lively party, John remained in the corner, offering only one-word answers, proving himself to be quite taciturn. Instead of saying quiet, say taciturn to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word taciturn in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.